There are different types of wood sander. Each sander type has its specialized purpose. This belt sander machine runs at up to 14,000 orbits per minute, (OPM), helping users lightly polish the rough spots on their wooden workpieces and removal of rust from metal. Lubrication is necessary to use the gears properly and avoid the damage of gears. Here a bevel gear drive is filled with proper lubrication oil to enhance life and safety of drive. Bevel gears must be assembled in a specific way to ensure smooth running and optimum load distribution between gears.